Oh, what do we have here? Oh, we have the Atlas from Montolit here. And I'm going to give it a little twirl and a little review. So enjoy. And let's see how we get on with this. Well, get the old Montolit cutter out. Oh, nice. We've got two in here. Two to choose from. So, as you can see with this, you turn it round and it makes it more sturdy, very, for a heavier tile. You turn it the opposite way and it's got more of a softer suspension, should we say. And that is the height adjuster at the bottom. You can see easily enough to spin with the old height adjuster. So that alters the height. So I've got one under here already. So if I was to put that under there, you can see the difference. You've got it raised higher. But we don't want to be about the same level, which is the standard. The standard height for when it comes out of the box is the level you want to be at. Can you see that difference there? And that one's raised up. Spin it back down, you're at the same level as the bed of the tile cutter. So this is how it works. You overhang it, you've got a little raise, saves putting anything under. Nice and easy, get your rip off quite easy. If you didn't have this under here, you're very much struggling then to balance, lift, to then do that. You know what I mean? You are struggling. You know, even if you try to hang that, you will get it with this cutter because it's a good cutter, but a wider long piece, say a 600 by 600, 1200 by 1200, a metre. You've got two of these, so these will take the top and the bottom of that tile. But yeah, look at that, that's the piece you can get off. Happy days. And that is a great invention for the tile market. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled because I'm sure there'll be many buying these going forward. A video showing you here, that's very springy, that is a lot stiffer, a lot harder, very springy, that's the springiest it'll go, that's the stiffest it'll go. That's going to take a lot of weight, and then we'll show you the, because it's got like a non-slip on the bottom, so that's widening it, making it taller. So it all depends on the bed of your cutter. I think it'll go more than that actually. I'll show you the max depth. That is the max depth. Nice little compact box to put them away. Give you all the information there. Atlas. Two pieces. 1, 2. Look at that. Beautiful. Fits in there. Nice and neat. Nice and compact. Easy to store away. Monty for the win, guys.